Welcome, Alfie. He is going to be named Alfie to your new home. Got it all set up. Got some rocks down for him. He's got his feeding ready. He's got his perches. And Alfie, are you ready to jump? I can see that you're excited about this. Let's see if I can get the camera up. Alright, bud. Okay, you're in, mate. How do you like it? How's your new home? Hey? Oh, I love your head. It's alright. We'll become great mates. It's alright, Alfie. You shall be named Alfie. I can't really get a video of you.